Kadin ke jingjop don buram ke National People's Party lem ka seng partai bai trailang ke United Democratic Party hak election chin nang mikmar chiteng samoy na lightly consensi ke balong hak lai photre urisau archar foi menteri rong ba ka jala meklaya konrad kesang ma loong ba kani jingjop kadai namar kamat jing trikam ban kentiu ka roi ka par da ka sorkar jala menteri rong ba ubadairu national president ke NPP loong ba giransan lap election ka kongres klawra shibun gi jingno persya ek sorkar jala da ka baong ba ki kwai le kai san partai yang roi ke par bakani ke dei ke bakimlian banle da ka baong bagi jingjop na early consensi kampat dei ke parti banle steng ula penpau ba seng kongres klai khoni ke election chen wi khmas teng samai da ke ching pa yapra ula kedau bagi nong yalam ke parti ki train nam ta kurtong ke UDP haki chakalum karacha bala consensi.
Yes, there have been a lot of allegations that have been made by a lot of the opposition parties. We did not speak much, if you remember, in the election campaign also. I had said that we would like to work and play a politics of development, politics of progressive movement forward, election and a campaign of issues of the people. And that's how we have been doing it. And I'm happy that people have responded positively to our campaign. And we're very happy to see that today we have won, as a government, we have won all the 3 seats. Similarly, if you look at the entire Northeast also, in all the other Northeast states, the Congress has not been able to win a single seat in the Northeast. This again is a very, very strong indication of the kind of problems that the Congress is facing and how their future is getting more and more bleak as they move along. So therefore, this is a very positive mandate, and once again, we would like to thank the people of these 3 constituencies, our coalition partners, and all the workers who have worked very hard so that we were able to win these 3 constituencies. I say we because the MDA has won these 3 constituencies. In the previous elections, the National People's Party used to come 3rd or 4th in the rank. In fact, in 2013, the NPP managed to only get 450 votes in Rajabala constituency. In 2018, we got 4,800 votes. And in this election, we have crossed 11,823 votes. So a jump of almost close to 7,000 votes was done in Rajabala, which is a huge, huge task. It's almost more than double of what the votes we got in 2018. Similarly, in Morankaneng also, it was same. What I'm trying to indicate is the fight has been tough, and yet the people have put their trust. It's because of the agendas and the work of this government that the people have seen. It's a clear mandate and a clear thumbs up, I should say, by the people of these 2 constituencies towards the government, and also in Moplang towards the government of the MDA. Yes, there have been a lot of allegations that have been made by a lot of the opposition parties. We did not speak much, if you remember, in the election campaign also. I had said that we would like to work and play a politics of development. So I would like to thank all the 3 constituencies. I would like to thank the workers and the leaders of all the political parties within the coalition of the MDA who have really worked tirelessly in the last 3-4 weeks for all the candidates. In fact, in Morankaneng, we were supported by the UDP, the PDF, the BJP, the HSPDP, and all the other coalition partners that supported us. So we like to thank them also for their support in Morankaneng. At the same time, I would like to also put on record that this by-election has been a very tough election for all of us. And the reason I say this is because these 2 seats that the NPP has won were seats that have been traditionally won by the opposition, or I should say the Congress. And in both the seats, you have seen that in the previous elections, the National People's Party used to come 3rd or 4th in the rank. In fact, in 2013, the NPP managed to only get 450 votes in Rajabala constituency. In 2018, we got 4,800 votes. And in this election, we have crossed 11,823 votes. We're very clear. We are committed to our coalition partners. We are not the kind of political party that is an opportunist or just simply looks at using and throwing people. That's not the principle that we follow. If there is any adjustment within the system and all discussions will be made with the party and with the coalition partners. So it will not be just simply because we have won these 2 seats that we will just simply tomorrow get up in the morning and say that we don't need our other coalition partners. That's not the kind of politics we believe in. But obviously, if there's anything to be discussed, then obviously we'll discuss with everybody and take a decision further. But no, we are not here to use and throw.